Hi everyone. I'd like to talk about the CSMARTE Smart Wireless Doorbell Kit. I was sent a free sample product for leaving my honest opinion and review and for review purposes. It's actually a unique little kit. So as you see, it includes the doorbell instructions, a set of mounting screws, your actual outdoor doorbell, a 3M sticky pad, a flat screwdriver, and the actual plug-in chime box. The flat screwdriver actually comes in handy. We'll actually get to that in just a few seconds. It also includes two mounting screws for your outdoor actual doorbell button that include anchors, which is nice. This is actually the outdoor doorbell button. The actual button itself illuminates blue when you press it. I still haven't quite figured out what the little plastic protector is at the bottom, but I'm still learning how to use the product itself. So all in all, it's a pretty basic system. As you can see, this is what the flat screwdriver is used for. You actually pop it into a little hole at the top of the housing for the outdoor button, and you gently press downward and you pop the top off. So you actually use it to get into the doorbell itself, the actual system, and you unscrew the two little screws at the top and the bottom to access the one battery that is required to run the outdoor doorbell kit. So there's actually the AAA battery, and it came included with the doorbell actual push button, and that's the only battery you'll have to deal with for the whole system. And as you can see, it also has two mounting holes, one at the top and one at the bottom, if you actually want to use the mounting screws for your doorbell kit. So this is the box itself. The chime box is pretty cool. It's a plug-in chime box, and it includes 52 chimes, which range from anything from happy birthday to you, a standard chime, and to a dog barking, and a number of other interesting little chimes, which we'll get to later on in the video. So as you can see, it comes with the plug, and it has the actual speaker in the back, and it fits any normal standard outlet. And it also has the volume button, and the up and down buttons actually let you set the chime that you want. You actually have to pair the chime with the transmitter, which you'll have to read the directions on how to do that. And that's actually just showing you what it looked like when I plugged it into the wall. The neat thing is that it actually illuminates blue, and this is actually showing you the different chimes and showing you the volume. It actually has a volume from low, medium high, and really high. So if you're looking for an outdoor doorbell, wireless doorbell kit, please check them out. Thanks for watching.